United States has officially designated the Balochistan Liberation Army or BLA and its suicide wing, the Majid Brigade, as a foreign terrorist organization. This move carries far more weight than previous sanctions, essentially putting the BLA in the same league as Al-Qaeda, ISIS and Lashkar-e-Taiba. So why now? The timing is no coincidence. It comes against a dense geopolitical backdrop where three major dynamics collide. First, the fragility of China's multi-billion-dollar China-Pakistan economic corridor. The BLA has long targeted highways, railways, pipelines, and even Chinese nationals working on these projects. From the 2018 attack on the Chinese consulate in Karachi to the Pearl Continental Hotel raid in Gwadar to suicide blast near Karachi's Confucius Institute, BLA's campaign has left at least 21 Chinese workers dead. CPEC is very much in their crosshairs. Second, a potential reset in US-Pakistan counter-terrorism cooperation. The designation follows fresh counter-terrorism talks in Islamabad, signaling that Washington is willing to engage Pakistan's military once again, reminiscent of the War on Terror years. For Islamabad, this brings not just intelligence sharing, but also international legitimacy against the insurgency it often paints as foreign-backed. And third, the great power game, Washington's rivalry with Beijing. By criminalizing the BLA's networks abroad, the US indirectly shields Chinese investments in Pakistan while keeping Pakistan's generals close. But at the same time, Washington carefully avoids endorsing Pakistan's claims about Indian involvement, keeping security cooperation with Islamabad separate from its strategic ties with New Delhi. What's the bigger picture? The BLA is not just a local insurgency anymore. It has evolved urban attacks, suicide bombings, targeting economic arteries, posing a direct challenge to Pakistan's stability and China's interest. For the US, labeling them as terrorists won't end the insurgency overnight. But it does send a powerful signal. Washington wants to balance fighting terror, managing Pakistan, and navigating its long game against China, all without burning bridges with India. In the end, this designation is more symbolic than transformative. But it shines a spotlight on one of South Asia's most dangerous flashpoints, where local insurgency, global powers, and economic mega projects all collide. Vishalik Shah, Bureau Report, India Today Global.